Hi everyone and welcome again to this short video series. In today's video, I will be talking about 2019 Standard Maths exam question number 17. This question was a question from trigonometry and a very straightforward question, specifically asking you about cosine rule. So let's go to trigonometry, and I believe the non-right angle triangle. So I believe this was from 4.2.1 actually. Yeah, so it was straightforward, easy question. Let's go here. So 2019 question number 17. So you are given a non-right angle triangle, and all it's asking you is what is the value of x. It can't be as simple as that. It's even telling you to use a cosine rule. And literally all you need to do is just plug in the cosine rule in there. What is cosine rule? You come here to non-right angle triangle section, and under this I've got sine rule and there is cosine rule here, and it explains what the formula is. So let's look at the question now. Here's the question. So these are the different sides of the question. Then if we call this A, B, and C, then the angle facing each of these is called the relevant angle in capital. So then what cosine rule says is that in this case it would be c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab times cos of c. So all you need to do now is plug in the values. So x square is equal to 11 square plus 13 square minus 2 times 11 times 13 times cosine of 80 degrees. And if you solve that, you will get the answer, which is somewhere around 15.5 centimeters, or you can round it to roughly 16 centimeters.